Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Sit-ups versus crunches. Which is better for athletes? When it comes to core exercises, athletes often debate between sit-ups and crunches. Both are popular choices for strengthening abdominal muscles, but they target different areas and have varying impacts on athletic performance. Sit-ups are a classic exercise that targets multiple muscle groups beyond just the abs. They engage the hip flexors and lower back muscles, providing a more comprehensive workout. For athletes, especially those in sports requiring explosive movements or endurance, sit-ups can help improve overall core stability and strength. Crunches are more focused on isolating the abdominal muscles. They primarily work the rectus abdominis, the muscle responsible for the six-pack appearance. Athletes who prioritize core definition and want to enhance their aesthetic appeal often include crunches in their routines. However, they may not offer as much function or strength for dynamic athletic movements compared to sit-ups. Upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to the best HIIT workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to main topic considerations for athletes. The choice between sit-ups and crunches ultimately depends on the athlete's specific goals and training needs. For those aiming to build a strong, functional core that supports athletic performance across different sports, incorporating sit-ups into a well-rounded workout regimen may be beneficial. Meanwhile, athletes focusing on sculpting their abs and enhancing muscular definition find crunches more suitable. In conclusion, both sit-ups and crunches have their place in an athlete's training program. By understanding their unique benefits and integrating them strategically, athletes can optimize their core strength and performance in their respective sports. Remember, your health and fitness journey is unique. Hit that like button and subscribe for more expert tips and workouts tailored to athletes like you.